Hi friends, let us see how to run a Python file in this video. So we can run a Python code or Python file in two different ways. One is using this Python console where you will have the cursor, a blinking cursor. You can type the Python codes here directly. For example, print hello world. So immediately that line will be executed and output will be printed. For example, if I need to do some arithmetic calculations, x equal to 10 and y equal to 20, z equal to x plus y, and if I need to print this value, I'll get the output. So but this is execution of each and every line. What if I need to write an entire Python code and run it together in a single file? I can also do that. Create a new file with the extension .py, which will represent that the file is Python file. You can straight away write the Python code. Hello world. Save the file. Go to terminal. Py space filename dot py. You will get the output. Even you can write the same arithmetic expressions, x equal to 20, y equal to 30 and z equal to x plus y, and then print z. Save it. If you run the code again, you will get the answer 50. So this is the way you can run your Python code in a separate Python file.